Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a Jeep and Chrysler key. This is the blade key. So in order to change the battery for this one, you will need to open the case in two pieces. So as you can see here, it has a gap which allows you to place a flathead screwdriver and push it open. Okay, once it's opened, you have the battery on the back. With the help of a small flathead screwdriver, release the battery from its position. You have a CR2032 battery. When you're placing the battery, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the back of the case. Okay. After all of that procedure is done, please align the case back together. It only goes one way and then it clicks back into position. So this would be the key for Jeep and Chrysler from 2004 up until 2009. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.